Thanks, man.
Thank you. What is up, guys? Next day, I did go over yesterday to PFI and was talking to Brent a little bit. And I was like, hey, I need an O2 sensor for my Holly. He's like, go hit up Dave Cho. He owns a shop down in Aurora. It's called Colorado Speed and Chassis. And so I went there to go get an O2 sensor, and I left with a whole bunch more information on the Holly. So basically I went there, he asked me what the car was doing, told him what it was doing, the air fuel's going wacko. And he was like, well, he's like, normally if the O2s go bad, they either like hold one value. And so he didn't think it was my O2. So now I did talk yesterday about this, but where I did have the O2 bungs originally are right here in the same spot, basically on the other side. Now it's pretty high up, and I don't think the car had enough exhaust on idle, and it was getting false mixtures of air in there. So it was idling pretty shitty. So basically what Dave said, he's like, either move the O2, which is what I did today, and it does idle better, even with Learn On. But got the tune all loaded up in it. He adjusted a whole bunch of stuff for me. So thank you, Dave. I appreciate that. And I'm gonna go ahead and swing it out, pull it out. Hopefully I have no issues. And then I'm going to turn it around and just so I can do the inner clear piping. So yeah, learned it up. Film me.
Get out of my life. Get out of my life.
It's already recording.
What do you want from me?
Look, so check it out. Goddamn, hey, dude, stop. It's a wine angle. You don't need to get that close.
Right. Your nose in that shot, bro.
Dude, so check it. This is the surprise I was talking about. Yes, dude, just drop this shit off.
Hurry up. You never used a knife before?
Dude, they like really sealed this thing up.
No. Probably broken anyways because you dropped it.
The ship weight is like 50 pounds. He's about to be big baller like Wyatt and his diesel.
Yeah.
Dude. Oh, fuck me.
You broke it.
Of course I messed
Big
it up.
dumb idiot. If this is a hint at all of what is in the box.
Alrighty, so this, before we get started.
Having some technical difficulties.
So, I won this in a raffle from DNR Auto. It's a Facebook page, you guys can go check it out. He has a whole bunch of raffle on stuff. Check this bitch out.
Wow.
Cut the zip tie. It's heavy. And I also like dropped the box on the way in here.
You never used a knife before? Let's go.
This thing's huge.
Such a baby. That's only a mid-frame, bro. Where you at? Oh, yes.
Oh shit, boy.
Oh, shit, son.
That billet wheel though.
It's as big as your head.
Hell yeah. So, yeah, I won this S480 in a raffle on Facebook, surprisingly. This is my $40 turbo. Got the big boy wheel on her. This thing is so oily. Fuck
Baller.
this thing.
Something rust.
I know, but I don't like
Dummy
it.
head.
T6 divided.
What size exhaust housing?
1.32. T6 divided 1.32. So.
What are you gonna use that on? A fucking compound setup? Good God.
Maybe. But if I have issues with those twins, I'll probably throw this bitch on there. Unless if I really like the twins, I'll keep them. But we'll see what the twins do, I guess. Dude,
wow,
bro, dude, look at that, dude. Oh my goodness. 100% gonna chop this V-band off right away.
You're a bitch.
I'm welding a fucking 4-inch thing to it.
Why don't you just use a V-band? Baby.
Dude, no, that's too nice. Have you seen my car?
That ain't sloppy mechanics approved.
Dude, it's VS Racing though. I've never seen one of their turbos.
Me neither. That's probably why it was only $40.
Anybody wanna buy it?
For sale.
Not on sale.
900 OBO.
Yeah. But yeah, so we got that. I'm gonna go ahead and fix these fucking boost pipes, and then we're gonna take a ride to the gas station and put the fucking World Hook wastegate lines up. So
To the bottom of the gate.
Just gate. So you can do like 3 or 5 pounds, whatever it is.
And don't worry, I'll talk him into doing a transparent launch. Check out this new 4-link here.
Nope, we ain't doing it.
Yeah, we are, pussy.
Not yet. I
Yes,
gotta
we
figure
are.
shit out first.
He doesn't even know what he's talking about. We're doing it.
Gotta figure shit out first.
Look at this.
Dude, this thing's sick.
Look at this guy. Oh gosh dang, son, what are we doing?
Cruising the RX7 in the parking lot.
Cruising the RX7 in the parking lot.
I need to scoot my short ass forward. Idle's like booty hole. Oh god. Shit fucking throaty.
Is that you doing that with the throttle?
No.
Oh. Trash, bud.
It like what's like pushing the converter all hard.
I bet. Junk.
Dude,
Absolute junk.
Dude, so I did have to put these oil feed plates back on. They have a restrictor in them, and this one was leaking a little bit of oil out here on the exhaust housing. Wyatt noticed that, so good job, Wyatt. We are about
Keep us from burning to the ground.
We're about to head over to the gas station really quick, get some E85. I might adjust the tune a little bit and have it actually learn at like 1100 or 1200 RPM, so that way it drives a little better. But we're gonna go head over there, hopefully we make it.
Well, we made it down the street successfully. How does it feel?
A little sketchy, we pulled out in front of traffic, I grabbed third gear.
You act like you were getting it. We were just barely above idle. Come on.
Dude, I haven't drove this thing in so long, bro. That makes me so happy. I need to like switch the fucking steering wheel though. Like,
got time, fuck it.
it's not getting hot, so I'm kind of surprised. It actually cruises pretty good.
I mean, we've gone like literally a 1/16 of a mile.
Yeah, and when I hit the brakes hard, it has like maybe 2 gallons of fuel in it, so we definitely need to go get 85.
Right.
And of
Well,
course,
that's where we're headed.
there's a cop right there. There's someone pulled over.
Do that on video, you puss.
Dude, it pulls up fast. Or well, sounds like it pulls
Yeah,
up
it's
fast.
cool. Sounds like it. Oh, you know, just going down this dirty ass road with no air filters. What's new?
Oh, we settled it, bro.
Floor it. Oh, peppy.
Yeah, except we're fucking running out of fuel. Let's go, Monica.
Monica!
Dude, this thing handles bumps so much nicer than the Falcon does.
This thing's janky.
Fuck you.
Fuck you, you know it is.
Might be janky, but it made it to the gas station.
Decent. Corn-fed laugh.
Fuck yeah.
Well, we got fuel. We're gonna head back to the shop. Hopefully it makes it there. And then we're gonna head over to PFI.
Yep. Go surprise him with the RX7.
Yeah.
Fucking rowdy, buddy.
Breaking people's necks with this turd.
Fuck yeah. Suspension actually doesn't ride too bad.
Not too bad. Give us a little brum brum.
Rowdy, baby.
Ricky. All right, we're about to make the journey over to PFI.
I turned the learn on idle, so
Ain't gonna do a damn thing. Guess we'll see. 30-minute drive or so. See how it does.
see how it does, baby.
Let's get it.
Fuck yeah.
Oh, baby, we out of here. Once this damn car gets out of the way. turbos. Decent, Ricky. This dude's breaking his neck hard as fuck, bro. How's it going?
That's fucking sick, dude.
Thanks, man.
Thank you. Turbos.
How big are the turbos?
They're just GT30s. They're little 57 millimeters.
LS1?
Yeah, it's a truck motor.
Truck 5.3?
5.3?
Yeah.
Got one in the bed right now.
Really?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Killer, man.
That's badass, dude. Thank you.
Thanks. Probably that good guy.
Dang, bro.
Look, do you want to film something separate?
Sure.
Oh, yeah, you can go first.
First time seeing the RX7?
Damn.
Actually showed up at your shop, dude.
It's finally running again after 2 years.
Dude, 2 years, dude. 2 years. It still runs and idles a little bit shitty, and like my dumbass hooked up. This is supposed to be like PCV. It's not actual vacuum, and I hooked it up to the booster, so like the brakes don't work.
I've
but
actually never even seen it like, you know, put together.
really?
Because that's when you moved out and then you turboed it.
Yeah, dude. Check out the rear on it. You've never seen like the whole rear axle setup, have
You
you?
redid the up pipes.
Yeah, I did.
A lot better.
Well, dude, my dumbass, like I threw them away for some reason.
Damn, dude.
It's legit as hell, huh?
You finally just sent it and got it together.
Dude, yeah, full legit, dude. Just full
Finally.
crazy.
Oh, dude, the back looks sick.
Do you like it?
Rhino line.
Dude, it actually came out pretty good.
That looks good.
Yeah, I was surprised at how good the Rhino line came out. You're not gonna be able to see it through the glass, but yeah, the Rhino line actually looks really good, dude.
Did you do all the sheet metal stuff yourself?
Yeah, dude. It took forever, dude.
You wanted my help with that, but I've been so busy.
Yeah, yeah.
'Cause I would've
Took
been down to
forever.
help.
No, yeah, it's all good, dude. I mean, I just took like 2-3 weeks off to finish it, so.
Damn, yeah, that's what you gotta do, man.
Dude,
I just need to put everything aside and just knock out my MR2.
yeah, well, in a couple weeks here, once we move the shop, I'll come help you. But dude, this thing makes like 1.8 pounds of boost instantly.
Oh shit.
It's so
Instantly.
fast,
An
dude.
idle?
Well, not instantly, but it takes a little bit, but there's like no leg. It's pretty sick. Them eBay turbos, dude.
I mean, we got the dyno.
I'm not doing it.
Throw it on.
I still gotta mess with some stuff.
Just let Brent tune it. It'll be good.
I gotta mess with some stuff, but
What else does it need?
I want to hook up the 4 ports and stuff and like just make sure it's all good to go.
Oh, yeah,
Before it actually do it. I need
Why do you
to
have
mess with
two-
the radiator stuff too, but
What do you have two?
well, so
Widebands.
that's another thing too. Is like, so I had it up here and it was like sucking air into it. I need to get a plug for that. So, because like I
what?
moved it here to see if I could help it not
because
suck
it was
air
reading
into
off?
it. Yeah, like with
see.
the wideband here, it would like suck air down into it, and
Yep.
so I could get false readings and it would correct all weird. But
Oh yeah, that makes sense. I guess on like
yeah,
our cars it doesn't matter because it wide open it's gonna read right because
Yeah.
air can get back in.
Yeah, and-
Idle with the Holly it might like be messing with it.
yeah.
Like
Which
when
I
it's
did
full.
close. I did shut the closed loop off, but even like at a higher RPM, it still does not like it. So
Really?
yeah.
Did that fix it? Do you think?
It did help it a little bit. Like anything like over 1500, it reads pretty good.
so
But I just basically like turned closed loop off for anything under 1500 RPM, and I just tuned it myself to where it sounds good.
Okay. So you
So-
can get some plugs for those.
Yeah.
Plug them up.
Yep. Dude, it works freaking good. I basically like the same shitty turbo setup that I had on it before, but I just redid the oil feed return lines and like the hood exit stuff because I threw them away. But
It tucks pretty good for that all being like the stock stuff. And you
stock stuff, what you
don't
mean?
have to like roll it out or nothing.
Oh yeah, the stock fender. Yeah, dude. Yeah, with those crazy offset wheels.
Just a little close right there.
Yeah, I need to.
I mean, you
so
can roll that though.
yeah, so I remember when it had those big ass 28s on it, and I'd come out of the driveway, it would grab them and then it'd pull it out. It like
Oh,
pulled the fender
Are
out.
those the ones that had they were
The red
and
wheels?
black
Yeah. And it would rub there, and then it like pulled and like bent the fender out because it would hit it and then like pull it back. But pretty sick, huh? Pretty sick. Hopefully tune it soon. I'm still waiting on my ECU, so sick, dude.
You need to get like some front wheels for it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, they got like a stock 4 lug on them. To change them out is kind of a pain in the dick, but
On those?
yeah, because like it's like the whole assembly, like it's the whole like hub on the shock mount.
Oh.
Yeah.
Because it looks sick with those, man. If you had
Yeah,
something
dude.
matching in the front.
Yeah, I want to get some like Jags make on knockoff that looks exactly like those weld wheels. So like, and they're like, dude, they're like 30 bucks a
front?
pop. Yeah, but they're 5 lugs. So yeah, dude, they're cheap. So I definitely need to do something about it. But yeah, so I did actually, while we were over here, I switched up how my booster was ran. So it actually has vacuum now. I put a plug in this side and a plug over in this side. And now the closed loop actually works on idle. So
now the ECU will actually be able to compensate without getting a weird, like a false air reading on the O2. So I already tested it out. It gets a nice solid air fuel reading on idle. So I put it back in closed loop. We're gonna go ahead and drive it back home, or back to the shop, me and Wyatt are. Or get the fuck out of here. Been
yeah, man.
fucking with Emilio's car earlier, seeing what the hell's going on with it.
Yep.
But
Tomorrow's another day for it.
yeah, but I'm excited as shit. This video is gonna be long as shit about like freaking starting up the RX7 and driving it. So
Yeah, I'm glad to see it, bro. It's been a
dude,
while.
2 years, bro.
Yeah.
2 years. I wasn't out at all last year at all.
I know you're-
Dude, I haven't had a car. My CRX was 3 or 4 years ago, dude.
Dang.
That's the last time I had a race car,
You
dude.
feel real good right now about it.
Oh, dude, yeah. As long
Just
as I don't
even
break
driving
something.
it.
Dude,
Not-
yeah.
Not even getting on it. It just
Dude,
feels good to like get on the shit.
Like, so that's the thing, right? Is like the reason why I'm happy, not even just driving it, and like nothing's weird with the 4-link. Like it doesn't do any like crazy ass things with the rear axle or like anything weird.
That looks good too.
Yeah, so, but yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys are excited for the RX7. Hopefully tune it here really soon, couple days, maybe sooner. We shall see. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, guys, see ya.